Welcome to Asiasafe project. My name is Gadjah Al-Haji, Associate Professor from the University of Linköping in Sweden. I am the project coordinator of the EU project Asiasafe. The project title is Modernization, Development and Capacity Building of Master Curriculum in Traffic Safety in Asian Universities. This project is co-financed by the EU program Erasmus under the Action Capacity Building of Higher Education. This project has started in mid-January 2021 and will run for 3 years. The overall aim of this project is to develop, adapt and implement advanced and modern master curricula in the field of road traffic safety in collaboration between EU universities in Italy, Portugal and Sweden, as well as partner universities in Asia, in Indonesia, Malaysia and Vietnam. Innovative teaching and learning methodology will be applied and used to support this curricula. And this curricula in terms of master program or diploma will be tailored to the needs and demands and according to the local traffic problems, characteristics and nature in partner countries in Indonesia, Malaysia and Vietnam.
Within this overall aim, the following specific objectives shall be achieved, which corresponds to the knowledge triangle, that is education, research and business. The project will encourage teachers, staff and students' mobility and training at partner countries in Italy, Portugal, Sweden, Indonesia, Malaysia and Vietnam. The project will co-finance a modern laboratory in road safety, which will be established as the partner universities in Asia equipped with advanced hardware, software and ICT tools.
The Asiasafe project will run a market and job demand study among industry and the public authorities in Indonesia, Malaysia and Vietnam for knowing the scientific and the professional career and job demand in this important field of traffic safety.
Under the project, all European Asia partners will develop and share together teaching materials in different courses in traffic safety, which will be available over a web platform for teachers, students and trainees.
Different information and communication technologies, or ICT, will be applied in the Asiasafe project for teaching and learning. This includes webinars, online seminars, online training and teaching. Mini video lectures will also be recorded in advance and be available on the project web-based platform for each developed course contents.
The Asiasafe projects will develop a handbook of European Union Asia standards and best practices in traffic safety, includes national policy recommendations and action plan.
The project will establish an interactive web-based database for road traffic accidents data and analysis for the partner countries in EU and Asia, which can be used for teaching and also for research. This database will be based on identifying quantitative and qualitative variables.
The project will organize summer schools in traffic safety at partner countries in Indonesia, Malaysia and Vietnam. The summer school will take place in 2023. Teachers and students from EU and Asia partner universities will attend the summer school.
The project will organize an international conference in traffic safety. At the end of the project, invited speakers from academy stakeholders and policy makers will be invited to this important event.
Towards this end, the Erasmus Asiasafe project team has designed and crafted the master's program in traffic safety, also including some short professional programs to be offered to the region. Specifically, we are looking at offering this program in Indonesia, Malaysia and Vietnam, which we believe that will significantly increase the popularity of the topic and addressing the issues of traffic safety in this region. And eventually, we will be making recommendations and measures to address the issue of traffic safety in the region. Thank you.